Amex points to Turkish Airlines. In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer Amex point to Turkish Airlines. So let's get started. First, log into your American Express account by visiting their website and then navigate to Membership Rewards. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. Now link your Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles account. If you not have already done, you will need to link your Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles account to your American Express account. Look for an option to add or link frequent flyer programs within the membership rewards section. After that, initiate the transfer. There should be a list of airline partners eligible for point transfer. Select Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles from the list. Enter transfer details. Follow the prompts to enter the number of membership rewards points you wish to transfer to Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles. American Express typically has a minimum transfer requirement and transfers are usually made in increments of 1,000 points. Review and confirm. Review the transfer details including the number of points to be transferred and any associated fee or restriction. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transfer. After that, wait for transfer completion. The time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary, but it's usually within a few days. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation from American Express and Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles that the points have been transferred to your frequent flyer account. Now, with the points now in your Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles account, you can use them to book award flights, upgrades, or other redemption options offered by Turkish Airlines or its partners. That's all. That's how you will be able to transfer Amex points to Turkish Airlines.